Maganda 'tong mga nai-share mo sa ating mga panauhin ngayong gabi, Julie, kasi this is a good companion piece to the one we started doon sa episode 5, no? Um, Meron akong idea. Meron kasi akong na-meet na expert siya sa, ang tawag nun, spot trading. I think she called it that, no? Then there is somebody who's an expert also sa crypto naman. She does nothing but crypto.
Wow.
Are you open
I
to
have
the
a guru
idea?
friend who's into
Ayun.
crypto. I'm also learning from him.
Yun. Would you be interested, for example, kung mai-put together ko 'to, tapos maging kasama ka sa panel, ako yung magmo-moderate, tapos tatlo kayong magkakasama sa,
Yes, that would be interesting. I
masaya
love.
siguro yun.
Yeah, I'm going to learn from them.